when you're late, but on a Gixxer. So we all run a little late. It's all good. It is what it is. But my car decided to take a crap on me a little bit. I got a nasty nail in my tire. Come on, man. These fucking gloves, dude. Trash. Just forget it. They put some nice road out here, finally, man. Yeah, so anyway, my car took a little crap on me. I had to go get the tire fixed this morning, so. Woo-hoo-hoo. We gotta be on the bike, and it's hot. It's already 100 degrees out. Make sure they're actually gonna stop. Nobody likes to stop at that. It was good when you're moving though. Late on a Gixxer. The Gixxer 1000. So I got on full leathers. Or not full leather, sorry. I just got on my leather jacket today. I didn't want to put on the vest. Woo, good thing we're not taking the highway all the way there. But it's all backed up here. I knew this shit was gonna happen, dude. I just didn't want to ride through the city because you gotta ride so slow. So I was like, oh, I'll just come over here. And then look what I run into. And then knowing my luck, when I get over to where I need to be, it's probably gonna be a train. This is crazy. So it sucks, dude. It's gonna have to start. We're gonna have to fly. We're gonna have to fly. He said, honk, birthday girl. Like nobody's moving, bro. Nobody's moving. Ooh, it's hot, boy. It is warm. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Come on, Noru. Jacket is separating. Like, what the hell? I have to fix it when I get there. Boy, it's hot, boy. Ooh, she out here in the sun too, boy. It's hot. Careful, cause we're trying to get there safely. Got everybody out on the motos today, boy. They out there riding today. Keep your side. I could have ran that light, but honestly, man, it's just dumb. It's not worth it. Stupid, actually. Like, don't even try. Just obey the rules. You dig? Obey the rules so we can stay alive. And that was some really good braking. This is where I got my ticket, so I gotta be careful. Nah, this mug. They're always out here. The police are right over here. Because it goes from 50 to 45, and this is where they get you because people still keep going 50, 55. It's so easy. Because the line just wraps around, so it's like everybody keeps their speed. This is where the choke point is, where everybody gets stuck in this old ass part of town because they refuse to rebuild the infrastructure over here. You got 80 million people that live here. Gosh, man. The worst place to be stopped, man. Got green lights and nobody can go. Shit is fucking crazy, bro. worst place ever, dude. What time is it? 4 minutes. I knew it was gonna happen, dude. It always happens. When I gotta come over here and this side of town for anything, there's always a shit ton of cars all the way back. Either somebody got in a wreck right up there in the intersection and it causes like a massive delay, or if I try to go the other way, the long way, you got to go super slow up Pat Booker because it's only a 35-mile-an-hour limit from all the way down from the other side of the highway to where I need to get to, which is right over here across the train tracks. Or there's a train, or there's both. It's like you can't fucking win, dude. And then everybody trying to turn gets blocked right up here because they have another light right there. Like, they need to get rid of that light and seriously just make it to where people can't turn in or out of there, because it backs up the entire line into the intersection and then nobody can go until that light turns green. Horrible, man. It was okay 40 years ago when there was like a population of 10,000 people. Loving you is easy, but it seems so hard to me. And you can't even go on a friggin' fucking idiot, dude. Come on, lady. You would have fucking swung out and hit me, dude. Like, that would have been horrible, man. Another long ass line of cars, bro. Man, insane, dude. This place is crazy. Come on. hands. My ads anointed. I'm sailing to ship ashore. Get the brew. Make sure my damn light ain't on. I've done that before. Get the brew. All right, let's go, man. It's insane. What's good, man? What's happening? Boy, it's hot as hell out there, bro. Oh my God.
A few moments later.
Whoo, shit, man. It's hot. Damn. I have to be careful. I have to be careful. Be careful out of this mug. Check it out. Yeah, because I ain't rolling with the mirrors. Let me put something down there so I can see it. All right, man, I'll be out. Let's see, I got everything. I got everything I need. Shit, that shit right there. It's hot. Damn seat is burning, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. What happened? What the fuck happened? Woo! No music, just vibes today, baby. Just vibes today. So my man just gave me a fresh cut. We got a fresh cut. We gonna get out of there. Woo! Yeah, I would try, but I ain't gonna try it. Legit. Let's go. Whoa, it's hot. It's hot as hell, boys, out here, boy. It's hot as hell, boy, out here. Coming up. I don't know why it's a clusterfuck of people. We just taking our time, baby. We just taking our time. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, we're just cruising today, man. Let's go. Suzuki just sounds so good today. It really wants to go. It really, like, really wants to go. Sometimes I be feeling a little reckless. Sometimes I be like, Denali is nasty. That's a nice Denali. Sometimes I just be wanting to do dumb shit, like stuff that I'm always telling people not to do. Very rarely, but sometimes I just be like, fuck it, I'm not waiting here. I'm just gonna go on the shoulder and blow past everybody. Stupid, but sometimes I be thinking like that. It's not the smartest thing to do. Not the smartest thing to do, but I'm at 68, going faster than I should be. But man, somebody hit a dog. Damn, the highway is all the way backed up, bro. It wasn't that bad when I came over here. Now it is. Wow, that sucks, man. Something must have happened. But yeah, man. We getting it today. It's nice out. It's super hot. It's super hot. Happy Chappelle, praises to the Most High. All praises. Okay, it feels good when you're just moving, man. When you stop, boy. Oh, yikes. When you stop, it is just brutal. Absolutely brutal. So the dealership did call me and they said that my car ain't gonna be ready till Monday afternoon at some point before they close. That kind of sucks. I wasn't expecting that. But then again, when I went into the dealership today, it was pretty busy. Sweet notes, baby. Sweet notes, baby. Sweet notes. Be careful. See, like he was going to the left. Like, why are you going to the left? You're in the turn lane. It's hot. Hot. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Boy, you don't hear that fan? That thing, it is hot. Unbelievable.